you? Oh.
She was right beside us a minute ago.
Mom! Dad! Mom, I can't see Mia anywhere!
Keep calling her name!
Mia! Answer us if you can hear us!
Please answer, Mia!
We're looking for you! Mia!
Where are you, Mia?
This place is beautiful!
I can't wait to explore.
We'll stay on the blue trail.
Uh-huh.
And nobody wanders off alone.
Yeah. I promise I'll stay close.
I'll help watch her too. This trail looks like a fairy tale. Maybe we'll find forest animals.
Look at the fish!
Just don't lean too far.
This is the best hiking trip ever! And we haven't even reached the waterfall yet.
A storm may arrive this afternoon.
Thanks for the warning. The sky still looks clear.
We have plenty of time.
These flowers are so pretty!
Stay where we can see you. Wow, look at that view! It feels like we're on top of the world.
The weather is changing.
Let's head toward the waterfall and then return.
This is amazing! Best picture ever! Did you hear that?
That sounded like thunder.
We should hurry now.
My hat! I'm gonna get it!
No, my hat!
Wait! Where's Mia? Where's Mia?
She was right behind us. Mia!
Mia, answer us!
She probably followed her hat.
Let's go find her now. The trail is getting harder to see.
Stay close together.
Mom? Leo?
I don't know where I am. This isn't the right path.
Mia, keep talking if you can hear us.
We won't stop looking.
It's okay. Don't panic.
Look at those footprints.
They might belong to Mia.
We're getting closer.
I hope so.
That's not Mia. Wrong trail.
We saw a ranger ahead.
Thank you.
How long has she been missing?
About 20 minutes.
We'll start searching immediately. Thank you.
Mom always says to stay put. I'll stay right here.
I wish Leo was here. I'm scared.
Call her name every few minutes.
Mia! I heard her voice.
Which direction?
It came from over there.
Hurry!
Are you looking for someone?
Sorry, wrong person.
I really thought it was her.
It was a good try.
Maybe this can help. At least I'm on a trail.
Ranger station.
Oh.
That sounds important.
Someone reported a child in a pink raincoat.
That's Mia. We found her! Please let it be Mia.
Mia?
I'm not Mia.
Another wrong clue.
Keep searching.
Mom! Dad! Leo! I'm over here!
Did you hear something?
Only thunder.
A shelter. Just like the ranger talked about.
Mom would want me to stay safe. I'll wait here.
If Mia stayed calm, she may use a shelter.
That's what Mom taught us. Which shelter is nearest?
This one, near Pine Creek.
Let's go!
Mia, please be there.
The shelter is just ahead. Please let Mia be there.
Wait, I see something pink.
Is it Mia's hat?
It's definitely Mia's hat.
Then she came this way.
We're getting closer.
Keep moving.
There it is.
Mia might be inside. Mia! Can you hear me?
Dad?
Was that Dad? Mom! Leo! Leo! Mia!
We found you! We were so worried.
I was scared too. Are you hurt anywhere?
No, I'm okay. I thought we'd never find you. I knew you would.
You made a smart choice.
Staying here?
Yes, you stayed safe and stayed put.
Mom taught me that. I'm proud of you.
Really? You stayed calm when it mattered.
I tried my best.
All this started because of a hat.
I know. I shouldn't have run off alone.
That's the important lesson.
Next time I'll chase the hat. Deal. Then you'll get lost instead. Fair point. The storm is getting weaker.
The worst is over.
Everything looks different up here.
Better view, right?
Let's stay close from now on.
I definitely will. I've never been so happy to see this place. Me neither.
We couldn't have done this without you. That's what we're here for.
He was really nice. He certainly was.
Who wants hot chocolate?
Best idea all day. This is much better than being lost.
That's an easy comparison.
What did we learn today?
Never run off alone.
That's right.
Families stay together, especially during storms.
And if you're lost, stay calm and stay where it's safe.